This is Doreen with WTI.
Have you ever wanted to start a garden with very little space? Well, the iPower plant grow bag can make that happen. This is the 15-gallon size bag, and it can hold a good amount of soil. This level soil right here is 3 quarts of soil. It can hold up to 4 quarts of soil. The bags are very lightweight with good sturdy stitching. It has good drainage from the sides and the bottom of the bag. I love the tan color as well because it is very easy on the eyes and blends in with nature. The bag is actually 14 inches depth. It has good handles that makes it easy to move around. The circumference of the bag is about 20 inches, so it can hold a good size number of plants in it. Because of the quality of the stitching of the handles, you don't have to worry about the bag ripping when you try to drag it or pick it up or move it. And that is one of my very favorite things about these grow bags right here. So if you are looking to start a container garden, the iPower grow bags would be a great fit for you.
And that is my point of view.